Before we begin the tour, I want you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine waking up without traffic outside your window. No constant noise, no rush to beat morning congestion, just quiet air, open land, and the slow rhythm of the countryside starting its day. That's the feeling this property gives you the moment you arrive. Tucked away in summer shade, Kentucky, this Amish-built farmhouse sits on roughly 16 acres of rolling land. A place where space isn't a luxury, it's simply part of everyday life. As you pull down the drive, the world begins to feel farther away. The skies open up, the landscape stretches in every direction, and suddenly, the pace of life changes without you even trying. Now here's something to think about while we walk through today's home. 7 bedrooms, a working homestead layout, a massive shop building, horse facilities, and acreage that offers real independence. What do you think a property like this costs today? Keep that number in your mind, because we'll reveal the price at the end, and most people guess wrong. Let's step inside. Walking through the front door, the home immediately feels practical and welcoming rather than flashy. Natural light fills the rooms, reflecting off warm wood tones and simple craftsmanship designed for durability and everyday living. This is the kind of home built with purpose. The kitchen sits at the center of everything, exactly where a country home should place it. There's plenty of workspace, solid cabinetry, and a layout that feels made for real meals instead of quick convenience cooking. You can easily picture mornings beginning here, coffee brewing while sunlight comes through the windows, or long evenings where conversations last long after dinner ends. Homes like this weren't designed around trends. They were designed around people. With 7 bedrooms, the possibilities expand far beyond what most modern homes offer. Large families, visiting relatives, multi-generational living, or even dedicated hobby rooms, the space allows life to grow without feeling crowded. Every room feels intentional, giving flexibility depending on how someone chooses to live. Downstairs, the full walkout basement adds another layer of functionality. Built with poured concrete walls and including a dedicated canning area, it quietly reflects the home's homesteading roots. It's a reminder of a time when homes supported self-reliance, preserving food, storing supplies, and preparing for seasons ahead. And that idea, living with intention, becomes even clearer once you step outside. The covered wraparound porch immediately slows you down. It's the kind of place where mornings naturally start earlier, not because you have to, but because you want to sit and watch the land wake up. Evenings here feel longer too, with sunsets stretching across open fields and the sounds of nature replacing traffic and screens. The acreage surrounding the home is where imagination really begins to take over. Fenced pasture blends with wooded areas, offering room for horses, livestock, gardens, or simply open space to explore. Wildlife moves through the property, seasons change the view constantly, and the land itself becomes part of daily life rather than something you only see on weekends. Then there's the 40 by 80 shop, and this changes everything. This isn't just storage space, it's opportunity. With multiple overhead doors, workspace areas, and room for equipment or projects, it opens the door to home businesses, craftsmanship, mechanical work, or creative pursuits that most residential properties simply can't support. Nearby, the horse barn connects naturally to grazing land, making the property ready for equestrian living from day one. Practical systems like a high-capacity well and wood-fueled heating reinforce something many buyers are searching for today: independence. The ability to rely less on outside systems and more on what the property itself provides. And at this point in the tour, you begin to realize something. This isn't just a house you buy, it's a lifestyle you step into. And remember, we still haven't talked about the price yet. Once you see what comes with the land and the workshop, your guess might change completely. Homes like this appeal to people for a deeper reason. More and more buyers today aren't just looking for square footage, they're searching for space to breathe, a place where mornings feel calmer, work feels more meaningful, and life feels a little more grounded. Properties like this represent a shift away from constant noise and toward intentional living. Growing food, working with your hands, spending evenings outdoors instead of indoors, scrolling past time. It's not about going backward, it's about choosing a different pace forward. And now comes the question everyone has been waiting for. If you've watched this far, you've seen the home, the land, the workshop, and everything that comes with it. In many parts of the country, a property offering this much space and functionality could easily reach luxury-level pricing. But here in Summer Shade, Kentucky, this entire homestead is currently listed for $361,000. And that number really puts into perspective how different rural real estate can be compared to city markets today. So now I want to know, was that higher or lower than what you expected? Let me know in the comments, because I always find it fascinating how differently people value space, land, and lifestyle depending on where they live. And if homes like this, peaceful, practical, and built around a slower way of living, are something you enjoy seeing, make sure to subscribe. We tour unique rural properties like this every week, exploring homes that offer more than just a place to live, but a completely different way to live. So now I'm curious, was that higher or lower than what you expected? Let me know in the comments, and tell me honestly, could you see yourself living somewhere like this? If you enjoy touring unique rural homes and properties that offer a different way of living, make sure to subscribe, because we tour places just like this every week.